everybody, this is going to be our daily agenda for Thursday, March 18th for Exploratory. So for today, we are going to be opening up with our 30-day writing challenge. We are on day 25, almost there, ladies and gentlemen. Your prompt for today is, I feel confident when blank. So you're going to be inputting it in 5 to 6 sentences and letting me know, when do you feel confident? Additional reminder, we have a Zoom Hangout session with the counselors of Mendes, and that's going to be happening next week. If you want more information, it's located in our stream on class. Ms. Arroyo was kind enough to post it here, so you guys can join if you would like. Additionally, from there, we are going to move on into our podcasting. So just as a reminder, you are going to be creating your own podcast, ladies and gentlemen. So for today, you're going to be working on your podcasting pages. You're going to be reflecting. What's something you want to learn about? What's something you want to do? We talked a little bit about this last time. So for today, you're going to continue with this. So you're going to highlight whether you want to tell a story, you want to inform us about a debate, you want to tell us how you want to make a change in the world, or explain something adults would not understand. So you're going to write down those topics here. Again, those topics can be things like, we should learn more about space in schools because, or TikTok should not be banned because it is useful, or other topics that you guys just want to interest in. It can be one-word answers. If you guys want to just do social media, or you want to do Fortnite, or you want to do video games, or you want to do music, you want to talk about that, just put those words right here. Then, on this side, you're just going to be like, okay, what do I really, really want to talk about? So take it from 5, take it down to 3. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put that topic number 1 here. And then you're going to think about it. Why do you want to talk about? What would you talk about in your podcast? If you're going to talk about music, do you want to talk about Charlie D'Amelio? Or do you want to talk about singing in TikToks? What do you want to talk about that's related? Same with these bottom 2 right here. Then you're going to go, this is the last page that you guys have. This is when you're coming closer to finalizing it. I might have to extend this brainstorming a little bit next week, but you are going to be also looking for an article. So for your 3 topics, so these 3 topics you found here, first you describe why you want to talk about it, or what would you talk about. Now you're going to go find an article. All you have to put is the name of the article and the link right here where it says type here, and then on the bottom, why did you choose this article? You're going to put, I thought it was very self-explanatory. I thought it was a really good article. Just something quick. You're going to do that for all 3. You're going to put 2 articles. I want to make sure you guys are fully informed with whatever topics. If you're having trouble finding articles, maybe we shouldn't talk about that topic. Or if you're running into a roadblock, talk to me. You guys are going to be conferencing with me after you have chosen your final topic. So, of these topics, which would be your final topics? You're going to put it right here. My final topic is blank, so whatever one of these topics, and because, and then continue to type. I want to hear from you guys, so I will be meeting with every single one of you to hear what your final topics are. That will be happening next week, as you guys should be done with your brainstorming pages. These are going to be due on Sunday. So I'm letting you guys know now, if you have not worked on them, you're going to need to work on them a little bit on the weekend. As always, our exit ticket is going to be, what topics are you interested in to talk about your podcast? You guys are going to become closer to finalizing that topic. So that's really what we're focusing on today. As always, if you guys have questions, let me know, and me or Mrs. Arroyo will get back to you. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.